To make a blur edges around photo in Photoshop. First, select your image. Make a copy of it by Ctrl+J. Go to above. Filter a blur, a Gaussian blur. Increase radius as you need. Then add a mask. Take a brush. Opacity, flow 100%. Hardness 0. Increase your brush size and click 2 to 3 times on same holding point, like this. And that's it. You've successfully made a blur edges around photo in Photoshop with the easiest and fastest way. I hope you find this short video useful. Thanks for watching.